sure to take a look at unique specialty classics. 1980 Chevrolet Silverado K10, regular cab short box. And look at the color on this one. Kind of a wine metallic, but yes, this one is a cool looking color on this truck. Underneath the hood, 350 V8 Chevy powered. That is paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. I think it was Edelbrock carb, Brodix intake. We'll check out underneath the hood here in just a bit. Let you hear it run, start it up, check out the interior. But first, take a look at the bumper, grille, headlight surrounds, aftermarket bug deflector, and kind of hood protector from rock chips and bugs. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior of this, check out the bed, the underside. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Call us, 507-386-1726 is the number. Now, when you check out those still pictures in the box of this, and it will go with the truck, there is a fan shroud back there, body moldings, front end grille moldings, also a jack. So just to give you the heads up, you can see that in the still pictures. I rolled up the tonneau cover so you can see that on the truck. And in the pictures, you can see it both ways. See, the paint has a nice finish to it. And again, shows well, especially in the light. This is beautiful out in the sunlight. Cloth bench seat has been recovered from when it was new. Of course, 4x4. Does have a low car shifter in there, you can see. Sliding rear glass. Tires are just a few years old. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Like I said, it does have the roll-up tonneau cover, and you can see pictures of the bed of the truck and pictures, of course, with the tonneau cover on. Got it both ways, and those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. There's also receipts that go along with this truck. In 2017, there was engine work done. Looked like the engine was gone through in 2017, by the way. The coolant and oil was changed in July of 21. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Check out the finish on it. Little kind of stress area in this door right here I wanted to point out just so you can kind of see that. It does have a nice shine to the paint, nice finish on the paint. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the interior. There's, of course, Silverado. You know, power windows, power locks. I did notice the power window switches over here were a little bit touchy on the door panel here. Also has an aftermarket stereo that was installed in it. We're going to check out some speakers in the doors. Wipers did work. Did notice that switch was slightly touchy, but the wipers did work. Appeared the gauges worked. This was a factory AC truck. No longer has a complete set of AC components, FYI. So easily it starts. RPM tachometer working. RPMs came up. The one that was also looked like it may or may not said oil pressure gauge. Other than that, fuel gauge, battery, and oil. Here's the aftermarket stereo, and that does work. I just don't have the volume up at the moment. Stereo does work. Take a look at the condition of the dash. Free of cracks. Headliner good shape, and again that seat really free of any rips, tears, holes. Seatbelt still intact. Alright, slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Again, 350 small block. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, the turbo hydromatic 350. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood, let you get a good idea of what the engine bay looks like. Take a look at this engine run.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, first off, I want to correct the statement I made just earlier. I was under here taking pictures and wasn't paying close enough attention. It does appear that the AC is all intact. I've not had the AC compressor turned on and off, but there's the components. So I want to retract my earlier statement. Also appears been converted. So original AC truck, AC components intact from what I can see, and take a look in the pictures. I got plenty of the engine bay also. I've just not had that compressor kick on and off. They need to be charged. Anyway, just wanted to be straight on that with you guys. Power steering, power brakes, was correct on that. Rodix intake, yes. Edelbrock carb, yes. HEI ignition back there. Smooth running 350. Newer radiators been added in there. There you go. There's a good look at the engine bay. And again, check out the still pictures to see those extra parts I mentioned earlier. Also, 1980 Chevrolet Silverado K10 regular cab, long box, great looking color. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.